Hello and welcome to a special effects tutorial from Aroha Media. In this assignment, we are going to learn how to animate lightning. Open a new document. To open the dialog box, double-click on 25 fps of document properties. To show lightning, select background color black instead of white. Do not change the document settings. Add new layer. Using the brush tool, select white on the first layer. Create some brush strokes on layer 1 as seen in the video. Follow the steps as shown on the screen. In this assignment, creative sense is more important than technical sense. Try to create the effect of lightning in the sky. After drawing with the help of brush strokes, create some nodes using the selection tool and control key. Delete the unnecessary parts. Give it a crisp feel. While creating such effects, it's easy to work with Snap to Object switched on. We have already seen how Snap to Object works in our earlier tutorials. Now, using all these tools, please work out a nice design for lightning. Okay, our shape of lightning is created. Freeze the frame. The flash file of this drawing is provided to you, but try to create your own. Lightning is done from the starting point. Use Zoom tool, Hand tool, Selection tool to edit the patch. Try to achieve the shape from thick to thin. As you can see in the video, here thickness is more and it decreases when it is scattered. Draw one rectangle. Delete its outline. Use a rectangle instead of brushstrokes. It is very important to understand these techniques in order to create such illustrations. The second patch drawn is on the new layer. Scale down the graphic using the free transform tool. Change its position to the center. The upper portion is outside and the starting point is not visible. Add one more layer, layer 3. Set 5 frames length by pressing F5. Select green. Decrease its opacity. On a new layer, draw one rectangle. Delete its outline. Shift its position slightly towards the lightning. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus W to open the work area and unlock it. Outside the work area, place the patch at the first key. Edit it using the Selection tool. Add keyframe F6. Drag the same patch and enlarge it so that it will overlap on lightning. Create a mask which will animate key by key. The whole lightning is not visible. Though it is fast, it comes step by step. Create animation of its formation on the graphic. Add one more keyframe using the shortcut F6. Enlarge the patch, which will act as mask. There are no specific rules that it should overlap on the patch and timing. Keep experimenting on the creativity, timing sense, as well as designing. The techniques used for this are the same. Add fourth keyframe. Adjust the patch. Cover all the patches. Complete all the graphics in the 4 keyframes. If we observe the keys, we'll come to know how the patch is created. On the 5th keyframe, copy second key by pressing Alt plus Shift, or right-click and select copy frames and paste it on the 5th frame. Shortcut key for copy is Ctrl plus Alt plus C, and for paste is Ctrl plus Alt plus V. Copy the 4th key and paste it on 6th key. Right-click on the remaining layers to insert the frames. Press F5 to add new frames. Copy the first key and paste it. Right-click and create mask. Layer 1 is not masked, so shift it on layer 2 and then shift it on the lower side again as seen in the video. Lightning is not visible on the first key because masked. Lightning is visible when next keys are played. Lightning is continued. Preview it by pressing Ctrl plus Enter. Still, we need some impact on the animation. Add more frame so that we hold the last frame of the animation a little longer. Lock the layer. Add one layer and shift it towards the upper side. Copy the second patch of lightning of the second layer on the upper side of the upper layer. Flip it on the opposite side using Free Transform tool. Use the same graphics and edit it. Create one more patch of lightning on the opposite side. The lightning is visible on the left and right side. Delete the unnecessary patch. Add one keyframe. Drag it. Animate the mask as we did it in the previous steps. By giving keys, cover each part from which lightning effect is created. Add keyframes as you see them in the video. Animate the lightning in almost 4-5 keys. In most cases, the lightning is very fast. Take some time to consider the speed of lightning and then work on the animation. Two different lightning animating at two different times. Apply mask. Lightning is animating from both the sides from left and right. Increase the time delay between the two lightnings. Extend it. Add more frames after second lightning. You can surely experiment with different timings and come up with your own style of lightning. Keep experimenting to get the best result. Thank you.